Hey guys, so in this part of the series of making Ram or Arun Govil, I will teach you how you can draw the realistic hair, and one top bun is over here and some garland or mala is over here. So for this I am taking this charcoal pencil as well as black color and blue color. So let's see. First of all, I have taken this charcoal pencil and try to shade it. So I'm starting with the top one. So what I'm doing, I'm just like this, flicking my pen. What is pen flick? When you start at a particular point or edge and then you drag the pencil and then left the pencil off or flowing just like this is called pen flick. So here I am using this technique all over the edges of left hand side. Meanwhile, I'm just telling you, if you are new to my channel and you did not watch the previous two parts where I have taught you how you can draw the outline and how you can set this face structure, then the link is at the I button as well as at the description. From there you can easily learn them. And if you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe also, because I used to upload such a type of learning tutorials. So be with me. See, just like this you will have to cover the two areas. Now join the lines with some random lines. Just like this. Okay. Now take one cotton bud. Just like this. I'm using one used cotton bud. So just like this. And try to blend them all slowly. Have patience and try to blend them all just like this, just like this, all over the areas. Blend them very nicely. You blend them. Got it? Now once again repeat the same process. Okay. Now once again blend them with one cotton bud. Just like this. Now take one color pencil and try to draw the hairlines just like this. Just like this. Okay, once it is done, we will repeat the same process all over the hair. So be with me. Just have a look. Now repeat the same process on the other side. I'm doing one thing. I'm just taking a dark brown color. Once it is completed, what you will have to do, you just take one black color pen and just fill all the in between places. Just like this. Now take one light brown color and fill this area which shows the part of the ear. Now take one brown color pen and and feel the junctions of the hair and the skin, just like this. Now take the middle tone and shade it. It shows the neck area, very light layer. And now take the light brown color